Hey guys, so I just wanted to make a quick video. I've been searching the internet for a certain device that is being marketed for smoking cannabis without a flame, and I've I noticed that the product resembles the core of a soldering arm tremendously. So I was curious and I went ahead and purchased a little $14 soldering iron off of Amazon that had a ceramic core. And lo and behold, it is almost identical to the product that is marked up just ridiculously way more than this. Plus, Amazon has, free shipping. So, I mean, they say that it's designed to hit the perfect temperature for cannabis, but this works great. I mean, it's just unbelievable. And for the price, you're saving, 70, 60, 75, it depends on shipping, but you're saving so much money. It's got a switch and it's got a temperature control here. It heats up within 15 seconds. I just don't see paying that much. So I just want to let you guys know. Hopefully this video helps you guys out.